Here I've got HUAWEI P30 Lite, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then tap on the more icon, and here click on blocked. And now you can set some blocked rules, so just click on call rules and you can block all incoming calls if you want to. Then you can also block strangers or just unknown hidden numbers. You can set some rules also for the messages right here, so if you'd like to block messages from strangers, just select this icon. If you would like to block the contact, just open the contacts, select the one that you would like to block, for example Mickey, then select more. Okay, so let me do it again. Tap on the more icon, and here you will notice add to blacklist. So just click here, and from now on Mickey is blocked. Here you've got the notification added to blacklist, and from now on Mickey will not be able to reach you. So this is it. If you would like to remove some contact from your blacklist, just tap on the more icon and then select remove from blacklist. And this is it. Now Mickey will be able to call you or send you a message. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.